Welcome to day 22 of our 30 days pattern drafting. In today's video, we shall be learning how to make this dress. So this is our dress block. I have already rotated our darts. Now we're going to work with this side of our dress. This is our waist area. So we're just going to go ahead and mark 3 inches from our bust point here to create our under bust line. It is 3 inches from your bust point for size 8 to 18. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to contour our under bust area using informative necessary measurements for contouring our under bust area. So we cut it out like this. And this is our upper bodice. I would increase the width of my neckline by say 1 inch. So I would just go ahead and mark 1 inch at this point like this and then recreate the neckline. I can also go ahead and increase the depth of my neckline by 1 inch and then cut it out as our new neckline. You create a long strip of paper like this for your gathers, and then you make gathers with this and attach to this part of your bodice. When you are done cutting your front and back, you cut the back the same way you cut. July, I shall be hosting a skirt class where you should learn how to draft a basic skirt block, how to alter your basic skirt block to create an A-line skirt, how to manipulate your data, how to create volume, how to manipulate your fabric to create gathers, and ultimately how to create this tiered skirt. This class is strictly for beginners. If you're interested, do send a WhatsApp message to this number to be added to our WhatsApp group. It's in the front. When you would close this dart by first drawing a straight line like this, slash it off completely. We'll then go ahead and close our darts by placing one part of our skirt over the other. You go ahead and place your paper like this. At this point, make sure that this side of your pattern aligns to the side of your paper. Then you go ahead and spread your pattern like this. You take this measurement here. You apply the measurements to this side. You then take the measurement from the apex to the point you have marked here. And then you apply the same measurement here. So it will guide you. Same thing here. Using your curve now, you then go ahead and join everything together. This is all of our pattern. See you in the next video.